Hey guys, welcome to part one of our series that we're going to call meme car reviews. So pretty much what it's going to be when our rental car is either unavailable or we need to go on a long trip and our car won't make it, we're going to rent a car and we're going to do a meme review on it.
Meme car review. And the reason it's called a meme car review is because they're just normal
Everyday cars
that are rented, and sometimes there's weird stuff that's happened to them. And yeah, so we just googled some funny facts about these cars. This is a Nissan, what is it again?
Sentra?
Nissan Sentra or something like that.
SV.
SV, so we don't know what that means either.
Alright, so first thing, Nissan does offer a spacious cabin with decent material quality in the Sentra SV. So you know it's like a perfect love wagon.
Well, about that interior part, I got a few comments. These seats
Are comfy as fuck.
they're comfy, but you can tell they're not really, you know, they're not quality.
What do you mean they're not
It's more
quality?
it's on the affordable side. You can pull.
Well, they mass produce this shit, eh?
True. Well, I can just cut it out.
Otherwise, the Sentra SV is a pure rental car. Great transportation down to the plastic wheel covers. So, oh no.
Did you hear that first part?
Plastic wheel covers.
That's the last part.
Oh. Pure rental car.
Pure rental car.
Yeah, so like the company knows it's a rental car too.
That's how mass production this is?
Like, what do you think they mean by that? Pure rental car? Like,
It's
yeah, you can fuck it up and the rental company will just buy another one.
Yeah, they're probably cheap,
Yeah.
and people don't really want to like get these as an everyday car.
But it's like nice cheap, you know, like Chinese stuff. The new car smell doesn't make up for what it lacks in personality and or presence.
Now, we did not get the new car smell because this already has like 40-some thousand kilometers on it. 20-some thousand.
Nice try.
But I gotta say, it's got pretty good features. It's got Bluetooth, it's got cruise control, it's got electric windows, it's got an aux cord unlike the Subi, heating seats.
Subi has heated seats.
Yes, but no aux cord.
It has a CD port. Fuck
Okay,
you.
next point. Okay, so we're gonna go to our next destination for the outside review because I don't feel like doing that in the Tim Hortons parking lot.
Yeah.
The front lip looks sporty,
Yeah.
and I'm surprised. I am very upset though. Grill obviously goes through. This does not, and here you do not get air going through. And most cars have their oil. Con number 2, but most cars are like this nowadays.
Yeah.
Plastic wheel covers.
Yeah, over a hard metal cover. Like you would see on winter tires.
Yes, but
Yeah.
again, most cars are like that, so we cannot complain too much. Something else we found a problem. This is probably just our rental place.
Yeah. You've got sticker marks all over it. Over all the doors.
At least the company could have at least cleaned it, but doesn't seem like it.
Yeah, it's kind of dirty. That's kind of our fault at this point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Another pointless part of this car. This is
Yeah.
a button.
Yeah, if you know what that button... Okay, oh shit. Don't touch the button.
As you can see, this trunk is massive. This guy is what, 6'1", 6'2"?
Oh shit, this is comfy.
This trunk, you could fit 2 or 3 people. Not that you'd put people in here, but like... So everybody, that was the first meme car review.
It wasn't really memey.
It's memey because it's the car.
Hope you guys liked the first meme review. If you do, leave a like and we'll definitely get another car to review. And yeah, we'll see you guys later.